My favorite time of year is picking berries here in the Appalachian Mountains. We have so many from TAME blueberries, which actually grow into a large berry. These TAME blueberries get quite big. What doesn't get frostbitten in spring? And they make for juicy, sweet, yet tart blueberries. And if you pick them daily, you can get quite a few. So I always check the bushes every day for new ripened berries. Also, we have TAME thornless blackberries, which are different from your wild blackberries because they grow larger in size. They are sweeter, they are juicier, but they also have larger seeds in them. So I often pick these either fresh off the vine to enjoy, or occasionally I like to pick them and make some fresh blackberry jelly. As you can see, they are plumped berries, so they make for great snacks. And you can even make a cobbler out of them. The possibilities are literally endless when it comes to fresh blackberries. And if you go out every single day, you know that you'll at least find a handful, if not a jar full, to enjoy for a tasty snack or to make some kind of delicious sweet. Tamed red raspberries are also another favorite. These are a unique flavor. They're a little sweet, a little tart. They're nice and small and slightly fuzzy. But every single day I check these as well. I also have CONCORD grapes. This year, the vines have just blossomed with berries. As you can see, there are grape bundles everywhere you look. Now these are not ripe yet, as they are green. They will turn a beautiful dark purple when they are ready. And here we have wild dewberries as well. These berries are quite unique and interesting. You find them growing randomly wild, and they grow off of a little running vine as opposed to blackberries, which have that stalk appearance. These also taste like a blackberry, but they're a little more on the tart side. And here is a wild black raspberry, which I was quite surprised to find. You don't see them too many places, but when you do find them, they are a treat. They taste just like a tamed red raspberry. So there's really no flavor profile difference between a red or a black raspberry. And here we have wild blackberries. You can already tell the difference just upon looking at them. The berries are more slender in size. They aren't as plump. And if you ever taste one, you can tell that they are more on the tart side. So if you plan on making anything with wild blackberries, just know that you're going to have to gather quite a few, because what would make something from a tame blackberry is going to take double in a wild blackberry. And also they have thorns on them, so you have to be careful as you're picking it, or you will have a lot of scratches by the end. But nonetheless, it reaps the rewards at the end. when you have all this fresh fruit straight from the Appalachias, given to us by Mother Nature. Each has its own unique flavor and brings so much happiness into our homes when we get to experience all of the fresh berry flavors during this time of year. So another day on the homestead, and we got some beautiful berries. I hope you enjoyed that short berry picking, and I'll see you next time.